The JL-700T Zhaga socket by Longjoin is a versatile, high-performance component for smart lighting systems. Built to Zhaga Book-18 standards, it supports seamless integration with controllers in outdoor and industrial settings. Its compact design, strong IP rating, and hot swapping capability make it a durable, efficient choice for modern luminaires. Compliance with Zhaga Book-18 standard interface. The JL-700T socket complies with Zhaga Book-18, ensuring compatibility with various Zhaga controllers. This adherence enhances interoperability across lighting systems, making it an ideal choice for smart outdoor and industrial lighting solutions. IP rating. Offering robust IP ratings, the JL-700T socket achieves IP66 when paired with a controller, ensuring waterproof and dustproof capabilities. Alone, it maintains IP20, providing basic dust and moisture protection for diverse luminaire installations. The JL-700T's integrated gasket enhances sealing, blocking dust and moisture. This design reduces installation time, ensuring durability and efficiency under harsh conditions by creating a reliable seal between the luminaire and module. Compact size. With a small diameter, the JL-700T suits various luminaries like streetlights and corridor lights. This compact design supports aesthetic flexibility and compatibility, fitting into limited spaces while maintaining full functionality in numerous lighting applications. Flexible installation positions. The JL-700T socket allows top, bottom, or side mounting, adapting to diverse lighting setups. This flexibility supports various design needs, making it suitable for both street and industrial lighting configurations. Hot swappable. Supporting hot swapping, the JL-700T allows module upgrades while the system remains powered, minimizing downtime. This feature simplifies technology integration, enabling efficient updates without requiring the entire luminaire to power down. Contact ratings. With a 1.5 ampere at 24 volts direct current rating, up to 30 volts direct current, the JL-700T meets current and voltage needs of modern luminaires. Its robust specifications ensure reliable performance for both standard and high-efficiency lighting systems. Operating temperature range. Operating from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius, the JL-700T socket performs in diverse conditions, from extreme cold to high temperatures. Its durability makes it reliable for outdoor and industrial use in demanding environments. Multiple models available. The JL-700T comes in various models, with diameters from 540 to 80, fitting different controller designs. This variety ensures compatibility across luminaire applications, making it adaptable for customized lighting solutions.